表示録画を開始します。スマートフォンでシンクウェアで始まる Wi-Fi ネットワークに接続します。GPS に接続されました。
ありがとうございました。Welcome back to the Tacomaholic channel, everybody. If this is your first time stopping by and you love everything Tacoma related and want to feed that Tacoma addiction, go ahead and subscribe now. Alright guys, you guys know I love my Thinkware F800 Pro Dashcam, especially where I live where there's tons of crazy, stupid drivers of all types. Nice insurance policy having the Dashcam, so there's no argument about what happened. Today, however, I'm going to go over what I call the hidden features or like bonus features of the Dashcam, not specifically involved with just recording the traffic that's going on around you. And as you can tell by the intro, obviously you can have fun with the language settings. I switched mine to Japanese just because I'm driving a Toyota. Or maybe I should switch it to Spanish. Either way, nice feature to have. And to begin with, by far my favorite feature on the F800 Pro Dashcam is the GPS settings, where it will warn you of upcoming red light photo traps and speed camera traps. I found this out just driving and it warned me. It says something like, speed camera trap detected in 0.1 miles.
Speed camera in 0.1 mile.
Obviously you have to have the Dashcam connected to your Wi-Fi settings on your phone to do this, but definitely worth it. Save you guys a speeding ticket or a red light ticket. Drive careful anyway, but definitely a nice feature to have. A few of those tickets avoided and it'll probably just pay for the Dashcam itself. Now, I have not used the next feature myself because I live in a relatively safe neighborhood and not really worried about getting my truck stolen, but if your truck is stolen, or say you go somewhere nice and have it valet parked, and you want to check on the location of your vehicle, you can do so through the Thinkware Cloud. It's almost like it's exactly like having a GPS tracker built into your truck. As long as that dash cam's on, if the thieves or whatever unplug it, well, of course, you're SOL, but nice feature to have. Again, just included with the Thinkware Cloud, which also holds your files and everything like that. And lastly, we have a few safety features. You can adjust these, of course, based on the sensitivity, the speed you want them to kick in, etc., all that stuff. You do get forward collision warning and lane departure warnings. So if you're driving for long trips on the highway, out to some wheeling location, and you start to drift around, you will get the notification bells warning you that you are doing so. Now, I did find this out driving on the highway. I sort of just like to turn the lane departure off because it does, depending on your setting, it will go off even if you're just changing lanes. And that is going to do it for this video. So if you guys are looking for an amazing dash cam that has HD resolution, a fantastic night shot for the night vision, crisp audio, all that stuff for a nice insurance policy for your Tacoma, definitely check out the link below and grab an F800 Pro from Thinkware. They are one of the leaders in the dash cam industry, and have some nice peace of mind knowing you get these bonus features as well. Maybe avoid a few of those speeding tickets or red light tickets, and it'll pay for itself in no time. As always, thank you so much for supporting the channel by watching this video. Enjoy your upcoming weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.